Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off location on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now from the top left corner, click on the profile picture. Tap on the setting from the top right corner of your screen. Click on See My Location. You will see Ghost Mode at the top of your screen. Click on it. Now tap on until turned off. And you will turn off location on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn off location on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.